Meden Chasonko, and my Fresh Prince TV, my hair for any for you. I'm getting a good one that remains to be away. Enter Crane, I jump Papa Yesu Christo. Oh, what is for now war brain or not a draw. May Jina Yesu Christo, Demo Emma will be a official part. Will be a TV. They are also a Fresh Prince TV. GH, Miss also say any face that or the AT and our air, not YouTube channel. Now I subscribe to my channel. This also subscribe what I share and like it. Now I'm on phone so any be or comment is very important. Then I yen be brave because sakra at the afar a year empowerment any umontoka. Empowerment any umontoka. Them say obi owa the first time I walk in parliament and talk when you we say another say parliament a boxing arena ana mbacho derby. Name momo hono and a woman responsible. A whole any boxing arena, but woman who say no, most of them are responsible. If they are, they wouldn't have done that. If they are, they wouldn't, because considering their age and the level of their education, come on. I can say, well, you will be all educated, I was illiterate. It's true. Because there are certain things, you have to be self-control. So there are certain things who do level you can't do. It is a way. Won't mean ye be. It is a way pet. You won't say we are irresponsible. Say we are papa. Now what na wana eba ube two for a ban and you can say bed to papa for. What's our papa? We are irresponsible father. Yenti you. Ghana for him say o masume nyansa for. Ghana for him say o masume nimdi for. Ghana for him so masume mpenim for. Nelson Yasan you. Sebi enya sebi prebiasa nyansani baabi obeko bia no sakasaka ye eni ho empo obi de be obeki sure say obeka me wo modam friend say be papa Ken de Japan nya me sharp Ken mi hu ade bi mre ntokwa na ekoso no come on Ken was begging people for the instant from the side say on your friend say ni pa no na me hu ni say we nyansani obi opese asumdue embra baabia mimi hu ni say we nyansani Yesu Kristo no ya asumdue hene o Shenkoni Muhammad asumdue kanedi ono no ya asumdue hene be bedu bi asumdue ho. These people no, we see them to be wise people. King Solomon no ya asumdue hene were very wise. Otumfo was say to were asumdue hene were very wise because menti so otumfo okoda menti so otumfo akoba bia masakasaka ye abada de bia peace asumdue atamos no ya asumdue ne atamos nyakopon fa okra nsie na ye papa no ne ye wo fa no ne na nam no mo go parliament se yi die ase de bia entokwa January 7 ABC ye hu se wo ba te be ma na so ba ware for parliament wo ba ware for what be ma so na papa mpanifo ebi ballot papers. It's very bad. It doesn't speak good of you guys. A DB that was say honorable. Them say montiasie. You need to be honored, but musuno mo buy na interest me wonam. One say them kran sorry I won't for camera no mudi watem. You deserve all these insults. Meme de me ni atem na mo bi dia menyemo. Ye be sere say moma ye hu the honorable no ewo mu. Moma ye hu the maturity no ewo mu. Ye friend be self control. Say we need you cannot not be a leader. What mean your tolerance? You cannot be a leader. As a leader, you have to be tolerant. Leader there, why is a servant you? At the Phibia Bauso. Until you have so much of parliament and I'm going to Shemramaye. And then I maintain once 1 to 2 blow. Will be a ballot paper. The next one, Akuyamo, Namoko. Current to be said a year, Dane and Toka sign baby, Ninani say. A Phibia Bequeneria or maybe a free budget. Sana hene a finance minister ebeba parliament no abe present the following year na e die ma a year 2022 no sika ye behia e de abo oman no bra ene kwan a be fa so enye sika no etuwe na ye finance minister ye ofori ata eba ye ene obe present ye ene wodi hie mu susu se e kwan e be fa so enye sika na de abo oman no bra no ye free bibi levy electronic levy e ye sika bia ana etuo bia yedi ebeka eto a yetua mera ye send sika akoma wo bi no eto a yetua ye beka ho aye friend 1.75. It is all sending 100 Ghana cedi bia ye be charge 1.75%. Eno na Ghana 40 no say e pay adel mo anya bibia mamasia mo san jai bɔ ne kro no ya nkasa no kwa me ahe ye wa ahe ye pa ye ho ye sebre ya no ye hutro do mbodi ye de to ahye mo san de tax ye nte se ya begu ye so ye nam he ne atua we de ye mpe no ye mpe na enka leaders a mo ye listening leaders a mo nim se mo wo ho from kora na se for mo man for no de ka mo ka ye na ga se mo ti ase ba ye hene ne ha o mo se o mo enti ase ene nya se bitwa ya twe MPP for say o mbeye NDC for say enye na se wonim dia kosi ni se parliament ho no efie ho no emu achemie ni se hu MPP for kita members no 137 and NDC for so kita 137 and there were one independent candidate ya ka say obi a independent candidate ya one dey woko ho ankra one party bi adim no koye ono an yigina ye ugina ma ye to ne so aba edidi ope no obekwa akodwen no it is say ye ni majority party bia or your majority group and your minority so because independent no akoka wo ho amomanya 138 or whatever na sa ilebi ye beji atumi anyintum na sese ye to aba enti abatro no modi kan toto ama ho nsem bebre enti ana no ada na se aba etro ni duro na abatro ni beduru ho no na speaker of parliament babe na woni ho enti first deputy no Joe Wise and they say o presiding now whenever you are presiding now na say uni kwan say obetu bi na say Joe Wise nso anto bi dia na say NDC for a short baako na say MPP a short na say NDC na awe na say enya adwuma omo so mpene saa ena na Joe Wise betu Joe Wise nto ne hu ya say na blow we kon ho pa we aso pa we afu pa koto enya sem ketwa ena e ma ne mema omo bro mu hu bia omo bro wo mu hu bia na ye hwe ye TV achi na mpanimfo nkokorafo adinimfo nimdifo omo kosku abubo PhD ne ho ahwan Jesus Christ eni wurase be nie omo ko na wa wo TV achi na papa kuse de papa panyina wagidi ente se aye yebu omo ebinum hu omo no de da fo ma omo look at subanya modernity erade de wasese abey omo to 2020 abey MP no ma mu chese tu wa me ehu omo suban wa ma yehu say they don't deserve to be called honorables omo deserve omo sunu omo ban omo down the of parliament currently sa 8th parliament we dey mo gure ni mu ase parliament edi kan betwem de to so mi no betwem de to so mi san bes ne ko 9 num nsia nson enwotwe we dey mo gu parliament mama parliament aye full mama parliament aye full empanimfo na kan say yesoma benyansafo na yensoma na motenten na yasoma mu we wo yempesu yaso yasoma mu se mon komra se bedwam na mon ko hyemra mayen na mon fa de ehia yen enkoma yen no mo de adane ntokwa boxing arena uko buku mu so ho na ebio na papa mpanimfo mu gum ho ani mu ase se ekọ democratic nation bia like Ghana if we be say 3 arms of government your judiciary your executive and your legislature you can say judiciary omo any the lawyers the judges and the attorneys no omo from judiciary no any what executives they are the appointees of the president omo president in the tournament afra me no nya adwuma obe minister for foreign affairs amame obe minister for agriculture obe minister for this and that and no no free omo say omo executives and ye war parliamentarians the parliamentarians in this angle for they are the legislature yeah omo this angle for parliamentarians omo dey from legislature emra chefo and I say emra chebidwafo omo dey ko shembra na empesua no so ade bi ehia ye no omo dey ko emaye omo dey gom ho ani mu ase no awo akon na ya na bibisa say edisa angle for do they go there in their own interest or in their own selfishness, and I said they go to represent the ordinary Ghanaian. Womuko in their own interest. Womuko for their party. So we should the party now. They don't think about the ordinary people. You best say Ghana for more money now, Martin. Ghana for more money. 2 million more ekita mo. 2 million more ena ekita mo. Munya 20 cedis, 100 cedis. 50 cedis amojia na emfie 9 ya dane mo nkoa esa beduru ane mo ane ase abefo bia na I pity some people. Now obi edi obi echi no okoma no okoma no last year. I say free offer na no onfa bio. Udi ani mu na wo kon na ye board hwene so twede ebi tirima paapai. Please. Na ye na ye wo mu nyina so ye hiafo yi. Eme ye ne ye saa wo. To trust some who say MPB ba edi ne papa anim so okoye campaign amaneda. Onko but why the best sorry akọ no watentan ade no aye say ye no akọ just ne ebi wu just like that wu kran so a wobusua kran no omonya de ba bia mfim montum ho fo tie sa afini do ne be to aba no mo ba 20 cities ne je but fa ho adwene monto aba ma nyansafo monto aba ma enyansafo for grab say nipa no ni sika whatever say wonim nyansa ye di nyansa ne bu mayo enye sika enye suku certificate ye di bu man enye nyansa entina Solomon ebrenya gopo bisa ne se makoa de na menyemo se awrade ma nyansa we need wisdom. We need wise people in parliament. We don't need people who be going there to be exchanging blows. No omu go mind anymore. We be ka say Ghana parliament nkwa na ndokwasi no correct but Ghana o man the way esi akekere no saa de we enizevo se besie enizevo it is a 11 year 1.75% in akofan nsem nyina ba yempene Joe Wise be say what to be whilst our preside or so san beto aba Joe Wise wouldn't say all preside there wouldn't mean some too many years so still my to me cause confusion or parliament too much confusion. This is the second time I want cause confusion. What's wrong with you? Please mama yen hu se monyi nyini enka ye na kamaka. Now I was expecting saying he bechi chibiegu because the already ballot paper no or that's when I'm Ghana the already ballot paper no that's when I'm Ghana so for ko say enkom ye che ni tum so for ko say enkom say ohu say obi ebengu say whatever embra no say timi chi ni tum but the already ballot paper the embra no nka say ye chi ni tum ye yiye when your friend say election and electoral malpractice say be control so na Korea Paul na chimia ye friend no exams more practice yetimi twam so we mitra ye kura mtimi kodem na obi nso aye to aba onu so akowia ballot paper are so ono so ye nya ne please embra no ma nya adwuma equally ye be serese ye mpanimfo no monya mo ho mpanimfo obuso o hwe Fresh Prince TV GH utie Fresh Prince TV GH say ne eda edikan a don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and then your comment is very, very important. Say umia subscribe on SY at the cocoa to Samata the actual. Both say Adoma Beba will send the fan so Miasa Adomano so umia swa sign be ewo your friend of notification sign me so nepo or umia or na debia me post ya ubenye biare. I get a lot of videos make me educate me inform me like I get a lot. I give motivational messages. Bible mo de Quran mo bibia all level de di candidate ye bia no Fresh Prince a obenya bi the so betimi follow Fresh Prince so e wo Facebook or heneba watching and I say Instagram or heneba 84 kachire wunu na wunu aso kanchire ni na wunu aso kanchire wunu the so say nyame ye wadom na wo saka link ni dia ya hweme ni sima watching or comment ni very, very important. You can like, that's thumb up or dislike. So when you video no one dislike it. If you want to add anything or if you want to be submissive, whatever, so why don't you be a comment section na ase na efa ekoho Onyankopon enhira na wonye okese me do Christmas ya remu ansa hwe ho ye wate susu didi enye aduane bia na ese odidi enye ba bia na ese okodidi enye tokuro bia na ese okowura. Yempe any unwanted pregnancy there. We don't want any unwanted pregnancy there. Bo ho ba hwe ho ye. Enye tokuro bia na ese owura. Tokuro bi ho a hwe na wa nwura. Aduane bi ho a hwe na wa ni. We no wan kokonto kohunu. Yesu na yawo no ye ni age misro wan fa nkonade nsamom. Enkoboro emfa Yesu woi ho awoi ho enkoboro no nkonya yade. We Christmas yi betwam nipa bebre be yare. Enkofo bebre be nyanyam mesra wo. Mr. Opa Pika credo be PNT, here no anquanyum. Now Bana anquaye a cry with papa, and the demon, Yakupon shall, not on your case. I love you, but home by dragon path. na adwempa no ehwe oso mechia madofo nyina Fresh Prince ahwefo nyina Full Gospel Kingdom papa boati nyame sha bebi a obia no begiri se o papa o maame aye no uguso brother Francis London mechia nyakopon Shakitos God bless you Dr. Ima mechia sister Hajia Alima my girlfriends nyina mechia obi biara God's way you are in Ghana now I greet you mechia obia me do Fresh Prince TVTH share like it comment it subscribe na emfa odo emo odo until see be say share bi no bo ho ban le mo dwan dwempa na adwempa no ehwe wo so I love you